The cabin air filter is a simple, yet important component of the automotive ventilation system. It should be replaced regularly to prevent pollen, dust, and other ambient pollutants from circulating inside of the vehicle. Manufacturer recommendations for replacement range from 10 to 30,000 miles. Driving habits and environment can also affect how often the cabin air filter should be replaced. The cabin air filter can be easily accessed in most vehicles to verify if it is time to replace. In this video, we will review a few precautions to take when replacing the cabin air filter and demonstrate the replacement process in two vehicles. Generally, the cabin air filter is located above or near the blower motor, evaporator, and heater core. It's also important to note that when the AC system is set to max, the recirculation actuator door, also referred to as air inlet actuator, will close to maximize cooling by recirculating air inside of the vehicle rather than cooling ambient air. If the cabin air filter is oversaturated with airborne pollutants like pollen, passenger air quality will be affected. Always refer to manufacturer specifications, follow standard safety procedures, and use appropriate protective equipment. In most vehicles, the cabin air filter can be accessed by removing the glove box. Take caution when removing to prevent debris fallout. When inserting the new filter, pay attention to the arrow that denotes airflow direction. Another common location for the cabin air filter is under the dash, accessible by removing the panel beside the driver's gas pedal. After removing the plastic panel, open the filter access door by pulling the locking tab and swinging it outwards. Remove and set aside. Remove filter by squeezing the sides while pulling it straight out. Install the new cabin air filter by squeezing the sides and pushing it into the cavity carefully. Ensure that the airflow arrow is pointing towards the back of the car and reinstall the filter access door and panel cover. If any audible rattling is heard when the air conditioning system is on after replacing the cabin air filter, there may be debris circulating in the HVAC housing. Failure to remove excess debris can cause damage to components like the blower motor, evaporator, and heater core. Keep in mind that location of the cabin air filter and replacement process will vary vehicle to vehicle. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.